You know what, let's open it up and check it out. And oh man, when I open it up, guys, now I feel how really thin this is. Wow, look at that. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, computers, tablets, cases, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this brand new computer right here, the M2 MacBook Air, in this new midnight color, which looks, at least from the box, I'm excited to get it out, as this super dark blue navy color. So anyway, without further ado, let's start getting this guy open. So folks, here we are up close and personal with the box. As you can see, we got a picture of this M2 MacBook Air right here. It looks really, really thin. Over here on the bottom, it says MacBook Air, and over on the back, we can see which model of the MacBook Air I got. I got the one with 8 gigabytes of memory and 256 gigabytes of solid state storage. But now guys, enough looking at the box. I just want to get this open. So we can peel the shrink wrap right there off the box, nice and easy. Here we go. And now we've got the box itself. Are you guys ready for the moment of truth? Let's see this computer. So here we go, slowly, steadily. Here it is. Wow, MacBook Air. So we can go ahead and pull this out. So now, first impressions, it does have a bit of weight to it, so it is not completely weightless, but wow, that is a thin computer. Let's put this to the side while it's in the wrap right here and see what else is in the box. We've got a color-matched MagSafe to USB-C cable in that midnight color. Look how beautiful this is. Let me take that out. And guys, I wish they would have gave a color-matched MagSafe cable with my 2021 16-inch MacBook Pro, which I also have, because that doesn't have the space gray cable that comes with it. It just has the standard white color, so I'm probably going to have to buy a space gray one now that you can buy these separately for that, so that matches. Over here, we've got the little charging brick that comes with this. I didn't get any of the more expensive charger options that you could get for an extra $20, even though I wanted to, because those would have set the date for my computer arriving back. So this is just the 30-watt USB-C adapter, but you can also, once again, for an extra $20, instead get a 67-watt USB-C power adapter, which lets you charge your MacBook Air, this beautiful guy right here, guess what, up to 50% in just 30 minutes. So I'm probably gonna be picking up one of those as well, just because why wouldn't I want fast charging? That's pretty awesome. So anyway, let's see. I believe we also should have some stickers in here. I've heard that the stickers are color matched as well with this computer. Yes, they are. So look, I've got the Midnight Apple stickers. That is pretty cool right there. So yeah, guys, now that we've seen what is in the box, nothing too crazy, let's look at the computer itself. So we can go ahead and peel this wrapper off of it, nice and gentle. Don't want to get a brand new computer scratched. And wow, that metal body on it feels super good. Okay, we'll put it down really gently and we can throw this over. And wow. Look at that midnight color. I think this looks really, really nice right here. And you know what? Let's open it up and check it out. And oh man, when I open it up, guys, now I feel how really thin this is. Wow, look at that. Do you see that right there, guys? We've got the Apple logo, and this just looks so clean and mean with all the midnight in here as well. One comment though, I wish it would have been black between the keys like on my MacBook Pro. Here's what that looks like, instead of the color that comes with the MacBook Air right here, but it still does look good with the midnight color because it's very dark. But I would just imagine if you got like maybe a silver one, it wouldn't look as cool and mean. But wow, that display, first impressions, looks really, really nice. So this is 13.6 inches. And yeah, it just looks super clear as it says hello to me in all these different languages. If you guys want to take a quick look around the MacBook Air before I set it up, we got the Touch ID fingerprint reader right here. Over here, we've got the MagSafe plug. We got 2 USB-C ports and a headphone jack right here. And wow, I love how cool to the touch this computer feels. It is like ice cold. feels really, really nice. This is just so beautiful. Anyway, let me get this guy all nice and set up so we can start using it. So folks, now I have the beautiful M2 MacBook Air right here all nice and set up. So let's go ahead and unlock it with my finger. Boom, just like that, all nice and unlocked. And I've got to say, I've been playing around with this computer for, a couple minutes now. Nothing too crazy, but I have to say I really love this new redesign. And it actually does feel super light as well once you have it open like this, like very light. And I really, really appreciate that thinness as well as this color. I can't say it enough times how much I like how this computer looks. Now, I also want to show you some MagSafe charging with this MagSafe color matched cable right here. That looks really good. As you can see, exact same color right here on the metal parts and this nice braided color as well. I'm just so happy Apple brought MagSafe back to the MacBook Air, because why would you want to plug in a USB-C cable to charge your computer when you can just magnetically clip this on? And did you hear that charging noise? Really super easy, and also looks awesome just like the rest of this computer. So now one of the big highlights of the redesign of the M2 MacBook Air right here is the screen. As you can see, it sort of copies the new MacBook Pro screens in that it has a notch and also slimmer bezels. I think this looks really good right here. I do wish Apple put Face ID in there since it's got a big notch. I would have had both Face ID and Touch ID. I think that would be super cool, but unfortunately this is just a, webcam right here, but it is a new webcam. It's 1080p HD now, so let's try that out. So now this is what video recorded on the M2 MacBook Air looks like and also sounds like. What do you guys think of this? Pretty cool. And I mean, yeah, folks, as you can tell, I really do like this M2 MacBook Air right here, and I'm super excited to keep using it. So with that, that'll be all for this nice, quick, easy Warenotice unboxing of this device right here. And if you want it for yourselves, it is more expensive than the previous MacBook Air. It starts at $1199, so an additional $200. Yes, it definitely stinks that Apple raised the price, and I wish they would have kept it at the original MacBook Air price, but for me, I was just really excited once again to get this new design. So I'm pretty happy with it. And guys, definitely be sure to stay tuned for more M2 MacBook Air content on the channel. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye. I'm gonna go play with this MacBook Air now. Bye.